What's going on, guys? Ted Matt here. I got my hands on the Apple Watch Series 5, but this is actually a clone edition. Just looking at the box is so different as the real deal. The real deal, the Apple box is like a big piece of junk, a big piece of cuboid. Yeah, but this is just a small box. So yeah, it says Watch 5. And on the back you see some product and features and specs. So let's go and check the inside out. So let's unbox this really quick. Okay, so the box is smooth. Here it is. Ooh, look at those bands. This is the Apple style bands. Really nice. But I think it's fake because Apple's one should have the sizing named it like sizing small, medium, or large, marked it right there, but this one don't have anything, so maybe it's just a prototype. So this is the charging. Really silly. So we put the whole watch inside and then just closed it, and then just close it. It will automatically charge. Nice. And the watch. Oof. Ooh, it's so thin. Look at that. So ridiculous. Okay, taking off the stickers. Oof. Look at that. I can see the screen. It was just a small. It's not like Apple's rounded corners. So small, and the sharp corners. Smaller screen, so much smaller. And I guess this was 1.54 inches resolution. Wow, 240 times 240, really bad. My phone, my daily driver iPhone 6 Plus is 1920 times 840, I guess. So yeah, not as good as I thought, but you know, it's a clone. It only costs like, let's see, I would say $50, so much cheaper than the real deal. And let's put those on. But it's silly that they don't have the clicky button on both sides, so you're gonna use so much force just to get this thing in. Oh, I think I put it in the wrong way. Ugh. This should be here. Shit, how can I get this thing in? It's like breaking your hands and breaking the watch and also breaking the band. Ooh. Just cut through the whole thing. That's so bad. Okay. I can't put this thing on. Oh, finally. Nice. The back's really ridiculous. They got those charging cables right there. And the charging cable is not like Apple's, where it's magnetic. Definitely not magnetic. But really nice. Let's put this thing on. Right at the smallest hole. Let's power it on in 3, 2, 1. Ew, what's that? Building an amazing lifestyle. Ew. That's Android stuff. Oh, okay. Now that had gone. Ooh. Pretty much it. Ooh. Like Apple's, there's Android stuff. Settings. Ew, look at that. So silly, this is. Never buy this. This is actually illegal. They didn't got the permission of Apple making this thing like fake watch. Stealing Apple's business. Yeah. Yeah, just don't buy this watch. It's just silly. Yeah, it's like so bad. Yeah, but they really copy it really much. The scanning thing, really nice. Front is made from glass, back is made of plastic. So the sides are highly made of plastic. It doesn't look like aluminium. It doesn't look like aluminium. And the silly thing is that on the back it says, can you guys see that? Let's zoom. So as you can see, Apple Watch, smartwatch, 44mm stainless steel and ceramic case. This is plastic, not ceramic. This is plastic, also not aluminium. So they're lying on that. Just don't buy this watch. It's just silly. So I guess this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos and peace out. Oh, just for a moment there, I forgot to tell you guys, I bought the iPhone 3GS on online shops. So it had been, the 3GS is released in 2009 and now it's 2019. Had been 10 years apart. So next video I'm just gonna talk about what is the comparison between an iPhone 3GS and the iPhone 11 Pro 10 years apart. So